Hello everyone, welcome back to the Deutsch Lernen TV. Today we are going to learn how to make sentences by conjugating the verbs with the ending sten, isen and sen. Hope you remember what we learned in the previous lessons. How to conjugate the verb sign from the video part 5.1. How to conjugate the verbs with the ending en from the lesson part 5.2, and how to conjugate the verbs with the ending ten from the video part 5.3. Weiter für heute. Words for today. Der Fluss, the river. Die Tür, the door. Der Rock, the skirt. Good, good or well. Here, here. Nach, to. Deutschland, Germany. Andere, others. Okay, now let's move to the lesson. Verben mit der Endung sten, isen und sen. Verbs with the ending sten, isen and sen. First, let's see what are these verbs. Here are a few verbs for you. Verbs with the ending sten. Grüßen, to greet. Heißen, to be called. Schließen, to close. Fließen, to flow. Schweißen, to welt. Verbs with the ending sen. Bremsen, to brake. Küssen, to kiss. Reisen, to travel. Passen, to fit or to match. Niesen, to sneeze. Verbs with the ending isen. Tanzen, to dance. Sitzen, to sit. Benutzen, to use. Schätzen, to joke. Schätzen, to estimate, to value or to appreciate. Verb stems, verb stems. Hope you remember how the verb stem creates by omitting en from the infinitive verb that we did in the previous lessons. Schließen, to close. The stem of the verb is schließ. Tanzen, to dance. The stem of the verb is tanz. Reisen, to travel. The stem of the verb is reise. Küssen, to kiss. The stem of the verb is küss. Now that in this type of verbs, conjugation is same as we did in the lesson part 5.2. The difference is we omit the s in the st of the do form. Let's see some examples. Schließen, to close. Here in the do form we only add t. Du schließt, you close or you are closing. Likewise with the verb tanzen, du tanzt, you dance or you are dancing. With the verb reisen, du reist, you travel or you are traveling. Now let's see how these verbs conjugate in with the other pronouns. As an example, let's take the verb grüßen. In English, it is to greet. The stem of the verb grüßen is grüß. For the pronoun ich is added to the stem. Then it is ich grüße. In English, I greet. For the pronoun du, t is added to the stem. Then it is du grüßt. In English, you greet. Here you is informal and singular. For the pronouns er, sie and s, t is added to the stem. Then we use it as er grüßt, sie grüßt and s grüßt. In English, it is He greets, she greets, and it greets. For the pronoun wir, en is added to the stem. Then we say it as wir grüßen. In English, it is we greet. For the pronoun ihr, t is added to the stem. Then it is ihr grüßt. In English, you greet. Here you is informal and plural. For the pronoun sie with the capital S, en is added to the stem. Then it is sie grüßen. In English, you greet. Here you is formal and used in both singular and plural. For the pronoun sie, which is they in English, en is added to the stem. Then it is sie grüßen. In English, they greet. Okay, hope you understood how to conjugate the verbs with the ending is-en, s-en, and sen. Now it's your turn to try it yourself. Pause the video for a moment, take a piece of paper and try to conjugate these three verbs. Übung 1, Exercise 1. Übung 1 Antworten. Exercise 1 Answers. Sitzen, to sit. Ich sitze, du sitzt, er sitzt, sie sitzt, es sitzt, wir sitzen, ihr sitzt, sie sitzen. Schließen, to close. Ich schließe, du schließt, er schließt, sie schließt, es schließt, wir schließen, ihr schließt, sie schließen. Niesen, du sneeze. Ich niese, du niest, er niest, sie niest, es niest, wir niesen, ihr niest, sie niesen. Let's keep a step forward and try to make sentences with these verbs. As we learnt in the lesson part 5.2, in German language, both present continuous tense and the simple present tense are same. Okay, hope you can remember how to make sentences as we learnt in the previous lessons. So, this is for you to do. Again, pause the video for a while and try to translate these 10 sentences in German. Übung 2, Exercise 2. Well, let's check whether you are correct. Übung 2 Antworten. Exercise 2 Answers. She sneezes or she is sneezing. She sneezed. You close the door or you are closing the door. Du schließt die Tür or ihr schließt die Tür or sie schließen die Tür. You dance well or you are dancing well. Du tanzt gut or ihr tanzt gut or sie tanzen gut. I sit here or I am sitting here. Ich sitze hier. The river flows or the river is flowing. Der Fluss fließt. The skirt fits well or the skirt is fitting well. Der Rock passt gut. He jogs or he is jogging. Er scherzt. They appreciate it or they are appreciating it. Sie schätzen es. We greet others or we are greeting others. Wir grüßen andere. You travel to Germany or you are traveling to Germany. Du reist nach Deutschland or ihr reist nach Deutschland or sie reisen nach Deutschland. was wir heute gelernt haben. What we learned today. How to conjugate the infinitive verbs which have the end in s-t-e-n, z-e-n and s-e-n, especially in do form, and how to make sentences using these verbs. Hope you understood today's lesson. Let's meet next day with another video. Bye for now. Bis bald. Danke fürs Zuschauen. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and share this with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them in the comment section below. Auf Wiedersehen.